Hi, this is Dugi from Ultimate Wild Guide.
It went too fast there, so good morning once more. This is a different kind of review of the games. We're doing a few about games. So it's the Dugi Guides World of Warcraft. So it's really for those that play this game. It is giving you tips and it's showing you an ultimate guide because some of these games are quite complex. So it's not a business, but it's a product you can purchase, of course, and learn more. But in the description, we'll have a business to start that those perhaps playing games might be interested in that too. But the review is mainly about the Duchy Guides World of Warcraft. My wife plays a game. It's quite advanced. There's so much content in it. And this is the same. So level World of War, learn how to level Shadowland characters solo from level 1 to 50. So level 1 was easy, and then it gets more advanced. Some of these apps are created, so you can sign up now, and then there's a free trial to this product. So it went on by itself before. It will take a watch and listen. Come back in a few minutes.
Hi, this is Dugi from UltimateWildGuide.com. And has this ever happened to you? You've just arrived at a new quest giver area and just picked up over a dozen quests all at the same time. Now, when you look at your map and you're probably wondering, which quest should I do first? Are they all worth doing? Once I complete all the quests, where do I go to get more quests? If you don't do them in the right order, you will end up going back and forth to the same location, killing the same NPC, and waste a lot of time. To do the quests in the best order possible, you will have to memorize over 3,000 quests for you to know the best questing route to level. So unless you're extremely gifted, you will never get to level as fast as you should. You will need a guide to tell you exactly what to do every step of the way, so you will never waste any time thinking about what to do next. Our team here at UltimateWildGuide.com has spent over 7 years developing the perfect solution that can easily use by players with little or no experience of playing the game. This is the Dugi in-game guides, and it is the most powerful and simple to use World of Warcraft guide in the world. And this is what you normally see when you use the guide, which are your current step, the waypoint arrow showing you where to go, and the optional model viewer which will show what you're looking for.
So as a guide for those that play the game, as I say, some of these games are really complex. So this is an ultimate guide that they have spent a lot of research in, and it shows you some screenshots of what it's all about. So and then there's some of the reviews, and then you can contact them and leave a message. It's just basically of signing up, which you can via the link in the description. But also, if you're looking for an online business that's more than playing games, actually make some money, but doing it in the right way, then take a look at that also, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.